Carbinox Vortex. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Survival. So I got a new watch from Carbinox Vortex. This is a smartwatch. I've been wearing this thing for over a month now, and I think I got a pretty good idea of what it can do. It is a good watch. If you don't want me to go into it anymore, buy the watch. There you go. It's actually a fantastic watch. But let me get a little bit more into details before you run out to Amazon. I will be dropping all the links down below if you're interested in this. It comes in this nice sturdy box. If you watch my other Carbinox smartwatch video, it has a lot of the same features, but it's a little bit more upgraded. It's fully made of zinc alloy metal, which is nice. Up to 15 hours of battery life per cycle. It has so it says it's a molded coring Gorilla Glass, so I guess pretty strong glass. A plus 100 sports modes with smart recognition, which is nice. A couple things here is IPK6-9 waterproof technology, so it is a waterproof watch. Makes and receive phone calls, and that's actually pretty neat for a smartwatch. So what do you guys get in the box? Like I said, nice sturdy box. Comes with some information inside. Also comes with the band. All right. You will get a USB charging wire, and the way this works is you'll see there's two metal tabs up here, and if you look at the back of the watch, it only fits one way, and it is magnetic. So you line those up and it will sit there and charge your watch. This goes into either a USB plug or a USB outlet, and you can plug it into your wall and it will charge. Now when it comes to battery life, I know most people, that's the first thing that they want. Battery life, typically if you have everything on, so if the runtime mode or the watch face is on all the time, you're looking about maybe 3 days, because it does use a lot of power. If you don't have the watch face on, as you can see, I already have the setting turned off, you're probably going to get over a week's worth of time, maybe even 2 weeks. All right, that's ideally what you're going to get on most smartwatches. It is very durable, very strong. I opted to change the bracelet itself. I actually asked Carbinox. It comes with the typical dive watch rubber type of style, and it's fine. I've had it before, but I wanted something a little bit more robust, and they were kind enough to send me the kit that comes with the metal bracelet. I wanted the metal bracelet. I wanted something a little bit more durable. They also have different kits and different styles that you can buy from the website, and this is the carbon fiber version of it. So it's a little bit fancier, if you will, but again, I opted for this. Let me bring you guys down so you can take a look at all the different features on this watch. All right guys, so very simple. This is a smartwatch. It's basically a computer. It will accept different phone calls. I have actually, at times, if I needed to, there's a bunch of buttons here that will also bring it back to life if you need to. If you swipe up, you're going to get a lot of your alarms, your respiratory rates, all that kind of thing. Touch, it's a touch screen, so also you're at your daily activity. All right, if you want to, how many steps you made, all that kind of stuff, right? And then if you hit one of the buttons on the side, it'll go back. All right, if you swipe over to your left, this is going to give you your functionality, right? So it has a bunch of settings in there. It has your health and fitness. It has a stopwatch, an alarm, your notifications. If you want to set up your notifications, you just click on that. There's no notifications at the time, but all your social medias, that kind of thing, your telephone calls, all of that, you can set that up. You want to set up your sleep modes, your heart rate, your workout, any of the calls that you may or may have had. You click on the call. You can actually hit a keypad. All right, you can enable it, and you can actually download or Bluetooth to your cell phone. And I'll get into the cell phone in a second. I have it disabled at this time because I don't really use it. But again, as you can see, the keypad's there, and if you wanted to, it will connect directly to your cell phone, and you'll be able to dial it. It also comes with 4 buttons. There's 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Depending on which one you hit is going to give you, again, more menu options. They also have a pretty cool breathing. They also have a pretty good function in here called breathing exercise. You can try a different breathing exercise if you hit start. It actually calms you down just a little bit. I don't know if you need that, but inhale and exhale. I thought that was pretty funny. I've never seen that on a watch before, but it actually vibrates, so that's kind of nice. It tells you how to breathe and relax. All right, so pretty cool. Also, I have noticed that if you are sitting too long or not moving around, it will actually give you a notification that you need to start moving. That is the first time I've ever seen that on a smartwatch before, but I thought that was pretty cool. If you click on the settings mode, the settings going to give you the always display on. Remember what I said about the settings, always display on. If you click on that, what's going to happen is you're going to kill that battery life, vibration, themes, passwords, times and dates, that kind of thing, QR codes, bottom key setting, do not disturb. If you want to set your do not disturb so your watch doesn't constantly go off, you can set all that up. All right, different lists, grids, that kind of thing. So it has a lot of features. You could also set up the different faces if you would like. But let's get into the actual app itself. You will have to use Bluetooth for this to work. And what they use is called Glory Fit. All right, Glory Fit. Glory Fit Pro is the app that you can download on any of your app stores. And what you would do is you would set it up, and for me, I set up the weather because I want to know what the weather is. And if you look on the watch face itself, all right, as soon as I put it right next to it or I turn on the app, it automatically syncs, so I don't have to worry about it. And again, you could put your steps, you can do your workouts, and it gives you the type, the model, all that kind of stuff. If you wanted to change the different types of watch faces, it has a bunch of different watch faces that you can use from the app, which is kind of nice. You can download more if you like. Obviously, there is a ton of watch faces that you can use for this watch. It also has your sleep, your blood pressure, your oxygen, your blood oxygen, all of that. All right, and you could also set up your weekly training, the type of training, what type of goals, all of that, and it will automatically sync up. If you get disconnected for any reason, again, you can change your avatar and all that other stuff, put your age, your height, your weight, all that kind of stuff on there if you like. If you're trying to do goals. All right, it actually gives you a digital display. If you ever get disconnected, it's not much of a big deal. You just go back into the app and you reconnect it and resync it. So let's go back up top, guys. All right, guys, so I really like this watch. It is my second Carbinox watch. I have used it out on the range. I have used it in my metal shop. I have used it gone hiking. It also has GPS connections and wayfinders and all that other stuff. It also has a lot to do with physical fitness. So if your heart rate, like for me, I have to monitor my blood pressure. So all that stuff is in there. All I have to do is click it. It tells me how many steps I did for the day. If I need to work out, if I'm sitting too long, it actually vibrates and tells me, hey, you've been inactive for too long, you need to get up and start moving. So it's kind of like its own nurse or babysitter, so that's kind of cool. I do like the fact that Carbinox does have multiple options for bands. So if you don't like the metal band, again, that does not come with it. I actually put that on there because I prefer it. The rubber one is sufficient, but you also have other options and other ways to connect it. So I hope you guys will take a look at Carbinox Vortex. I will put this on the link down below so you guys can take a look at it. You can buy it from Amazon or you can buy it directly from the company itself. Thank you very much, guys, and as always, stay safe.